About your age, my dear friends, I'm just 5 years away to 50. Muzee miaka meka, okweza meka, bajita silver jubilee. Wewe unyenchikoze nja. You know, abachara waina bababulirira basenga. But with the boys, nobody teaches you. You hustle it out yourself. But it's a for a busy. Just a cake. Only one who go to a cake. Yes, I know it's a birthday cake. Just put the cakes together. Come on, bro. Anyway, I celebrate myself. People thought would stop, but we never. The biggest aspect of life is being alive. I lost a brother recently, and I was trying to rethink celebrating my birthday because I lost a brother. Then knows I know. In life we have celebrations. One celebration is birth, right? And the other celebration is death. Between life and death, there's so many celebrations of birthdays where you say, thank you God, I've come this far, right? So my friends pushed me. I was emotional. Joseph, let's celebrate your life. Thank you so much, Machali, but I don't take it for granted. I don't count it for granted. People hide their ages. I've served Uganda half of my life. Nafuka Stang at 20. Come on. Half of my life. Now I'm 45. Serving my beautiful country. Nobody told me how to do it. Nobody taught me, but I had the force to drive me to do it. Through the hardships. Financially, family, socially. I'm a troublemaker. I am a peacemaker. I am a love maker. I am a heartbreaker. I am a pioneer. Combo. Cocktail of living. I am a cocktail. I can give you noise if you want noise. I can give you sound when you want sound. On this beautiful day, as I make 45, thank you so much. Dear friends, today is my day. I committed from one thing, I'm not going to get emotional. There's nothing to be emotional about. I'm just celebrating. And this is the last birthday I'm celebrating. My next birthday is when I'm 50. Now this young man here, about 25, never cut day. He will ask me how do I do it. What I do is enjoy myself. I'm just pointing randomly. Thank you so much. So how do we do it? How do we do it? With this one right here? Okay, thank you. Sexy. Man full of colors. But anyway, thank you for loving me. King Michael! Best money one. Man, I love you. Yeah. So what do we do? Stuart Torisha. Keki wanojifumita bajja kulowooza tuli babanda ejikwata kikompleti babloga batulaba wizo monizo bino byabanene wanatoka ziwanga tuli munene byabanene big house, big car and the big money byabachi wanatoka ziwanga tuli munene byabachi kidogono batono ng'emitima gyo minene wali abanene just mitwe minene wali Koliyasi yali amanyi munene agenda okumala olutalo Dawudi munene byabaki ajjapage Mukama onyumirwa nnyo byokola n'omwana we yanja wano yatukola wali mubisigo ezokusogola olwo sitaani ata
Kumatawa na wanta na namba siti wa ipanda bita kana kayimba bedo juwa manili kapina mayano Nze pagara Kapina mayano Nze yande kame Wakutani wumi muna Yamami kumedali wako
What one? What's that reggae vibe? Yeah, no fish up.
Yeah, reggae Don't want to go to the bad man's time. Trust me, nigga, she say she never tell me lie. One time she told me a big, big lie. She put another man living it from far. What's your power? What's your power? Light it up, yo.
Yo, Mojo. Come on, boy. Light it up.
Subawa don't just get a fire. Gabajanda wadi njagala kuba aya. Firefighter don't lick the fire. Bela mele company come on. Dia baby mamele kanda tukugenda kusini kuba kuzole yanda banga kwali ne bako kubanga wenyu wanda koeno yo. Oya tell so yo.
Leka timwe. Bino byabachi. Oleke tuvimenga bachi. Yo. Let me talk to them when they were better. Let me talk to them, make you all want to